join me on stage. Do I even need to introduce this Jamai 2.0? Hello. बहुत कुछ अलग करने जा रहे हैं. Yes, genuinely, he's adding yet another feather to his cap. Are you somebody who puts this aim? अब 2019 खत्म हो रहा है. 2020 में मैं ऐसी entry मारूंगा. Is this something that you plan or you thought of or you've had in your bucket list? Honestly, tell me, because अब जो हम unveil करने वाले हैं, आपको भी शायद idea नहीं था कि आप ये करेंगे इस साल, पता नहीं.
बिल्कुल भी idea नहीं था. And secondly, I've never been anybody who operates with a lot of plan. It's been organic. Everything has been organic, and so has this. What you're going to reveal now. And it was.
इतने modest मत बनिए, क्योंकि apart from this viral जो हम सबको hit करके गई है, there's certain things that you have in your bucket list. So tell me the couple of things, क्योंकि कायनात universe conspires. What are your 3 things that you had in your bucket list and you've managed to complete? I want you to share with us today.
So my bucket list is getting very rapidly. I'm making all the ticks possible. So what you're going to be revealing, I'm going to say what I have to say maybe after that.
Okay.
So you can go for it.
And the things that have already happened, can you share one or two with us?
I wanted to do a web show. And ZEE5 has given me this opportunity. Thank you so much for Jamai 2.0.
And this successful?
Yeah.
I don't know if you imagined it to be this
No,
successful.
none of us did. And I think, so there's this weird thing, there's this weird connection that I have with Zee. All big milestones in my life have happened, in the presence of Zee, if I may say so. My first show as a hero was with Zee all the way back in 2009, Ranbir Rano. I found my life partner, Sargun, in a show that I was doing on Zee, Karol Bagh. A show that changed my life and I never had to look back again after, which was Jamai Raja, was with Zee. My first ever web show was Jamai 2.0, which was with Zee. I've turned a producer in the Hindi space for the first time with ZEE5.
Was that on your bucket list?
Yes, absolutely.
Oh my God.
My first song as a singer, which you're going to be producing.
एक सेकेंड, आपकी लाइफ A to Z यहीं पे है. इस साइड में आ जाइए. Let us just see what he has to show you. It is Ravi like never before. Let's have it.
Yes. So this is the first song ever that I have attempted to sing. So yeah.
Woo! मैं गुस्ताखी नहीं करूं जो मैं रेडियो पे हर रोज करती हूँ.
नहीं कीजिए.
जा दीजिए. एक बारी मैंने बाय मिस्टेक लता दीदी को भी बोल दिया था. She almost looked at me like, really? Did she just tell me to sing?
लता दीदी गाती हैं तो लोग कान लगाकर सुनते हैं. मैं गाता हूँ तो जनरली लोग कान बंद कर लेते हैं. तो a lot of rehearsals have gone into this.
That didn't sound like कान बंद. कितने रियाज करते हैं आप?
So you've just seen the teaser. I'd let you, I'll let you say what you feel about the song on the 11th when the song is launching, and so you're all welcome to come there. And also, I'm more excited about this, and I really, really, from the bottom of my heart, want to thank everybody in ZEE5. Mehak is looking at me right now. Rahul, Tarun sir, thank you so much for this opportunity of letting me produce this one. Also, so it's been great. Just thank you very much.
सुनो, जाने से पहले, क्योंकि कल बाला देख के आई हूँ ना, बालों की बहुत बात देख के आई हूँ. मतलब I can't get over your hair now. Take they are. You want to give us a tip before you leave?
A tip about the hair before I leave?
You have no idea how many tips this movie is giving.
Whatever you let be kind of grows and multiplies. So just let it be. Don't stress about it.
Oh my God! What an amazing concept. All the best, Ravi, and we can't wait to see the song. Harleen, ladies and gentlemen, and how she's inspired so many of us to actually get out there and dance again. Thank you. You have really given a new lease of life to many. ये actually show मुझे थोड़ा सा misfit लग रहा है उस मामले में, but you're playing your part to perfection. Tell us about the experience and tell us about working with one of the finest talents we have in the country. Vikrant, he's not here today.
Yeah, I miss him. Thank you, first of all, for having me. And I'm very excited to be on ZEE5. In fact, this is not my first association with ZEE5. ZEE5, if you guys remember, launched with a song called Feel Hai. Do you remember? So, if you remember, I featured in that song. So ZEE5 literally launched with that, and I've been very, very excited since then to work with ZEE5 or finally ye mauka mila. So I'm really, really thankful to everyone. And Broken But Beautiful is a very, very special show. And to work with actors like Vikrant Massey, it was such a learning, such an enriching experience. जब आप कहते हैं कि acting is all about reacting, so जब आप इतने he's been around for almost 15 years, and on the other side, I'm literally just about starting off. So 15 months versus 15 years, literally वैसा था. So I was under a lot of pressure कि I don't want to look amateurish in front of him. So, but he's very, very helpful, very, very humble. And we enjoyed a lot because the director also said कि अच्छा खुल के करो जो भी करना है. तो हमने काफ़ी मज़े किए साथ में, काफ़ी सारी improvisations की.
बहुत
And-
नेचुरल लग रहा है सीरियसली.
Thank
बट ओके, सो डांस स्टेप्स आपको ऐसे मिल जाते हैं चुटकी में. व्हाट वाज द हार्ड पार्ट अबाउट एक्टिंग?
Hard part about acting is that you're not supposed to act. I think acting is all about just being true in the moment, living the character and whatever the character is feeling to its deepest emotion. दिल से आना चाहिए. तो बस मैं और विक्रांत वही कोशिश करते हैं कि दिल से करें जो भी करें, और आई होप आप सबको अच्छा लगे. मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ. ब्रोकन बट ब्यूटीफुल सीजन 2 लॉन्च हो रहा है 27 नवंबर को, और सिर्फ एक ही नहीं 2 बड़ी प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे आने वाला है, ऑल्ट बालाजी एंड ZEE5. सो आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज वी हैव अ बिगर ऑडियंस नाउ जो अब शो को एंजॉय कर सकती है. सो आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड एंड रियली वेटिंग फॉर पीपल टू एंजॉय द सॉन्ग्स एंड लव अस लाइक द वे दे हैव. हाँ, सच बोलूँगी तो प्रेशर था, बहुत था, बिकॉज सीज़न 1 में इतना सारा प्यार मिला सबका कि सीज़न 2 में ऐसा लग रहा था कि हमसे कुछ गलती ना हो जाए. हम अपना पूरा स्वेट एंड ब्लड एंड एवरीथिंग दैट वी कैन गिव टू द शो हम देना चाहते हैं, और हमने कोशिश की है. बस अब आपका प्यार है, आप बताइए आप देंगे या नहीं. एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही मज़ेदार था. इनफैक्ट सीज़न 1 और सीज़न 2 काफ़ी अलग हैं. ये 2 कैरेक्टर्स की जर्नी आगे कैसे जा रही है, सीज़न 2 का फ्लेवर ही एकदम अलग है. तो वो आई थिंक एक तरीके से ऑडियंसेस को सरप्राइज करेगा, बिकॉज उनको ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि हाँ ये सीज़न 1 में देख चुके हैं. सीज़न 2 में नए कैरेक्टर्स इंट्रोड्यूस होते हैं, तो उनके साथ वीर की एक अलग केमिस्ट्री है, समीरा की अलग केमिस्ट्री, और वीर और समीरा जब साथ आते हैं तो वो एक केमिस्ट्री तो है ही मज़ेदार. सो बहुत ही अलग फ्लेवर है, नए गाने हैं. सो हम सब एक्साइटेड हैं ट्रेलर के लिए, गानों के लिए. अब देखते हैं. थैंक यू.